Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you create an account into Facebook. So without any further ado, let's proceed to this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application in order to create a new account. And after opening the application, just simply click to this Create New Account button at the bottom of your application. And after clicking there, just simply click to this Get Started button down here. Now you can choose either of your phone number and email address into here. Just simply select the option that is suitable for you. And after entering the email or phone number, just simply click to this Next button here and set your date of birth into Facebook. And now after entering the date of birth, click to blue Next button down here. Now here comes the very important part for your Facebook account. You have to set a very strong password to be safe from the security breaches. And after setting a strong password for your Facebook account, just simply click to this Next button down here. Now you just simply have to click to this Save button if you want to save the login information for next time, or if you don't want to save that, click to Not Now here. And into this new tab, just simply enter your first name and last name and click to Next. Then you have to select any of your gender here and click to Next again. Now just simply click to this I agree button to agree the terms and policy of Facebook. You can read all the terms and privacy policy of Facebook by clicking to these options here. And after clicking to the I agree button, it will ask for the confirmation code to create your account. Just simply check your mailbox for the confirmation code and enter the confirmation code into this box here. And after entering the confirmation code that you received into your mailbox, just simply click to this Next button here. Then your Facebook account will be created shortly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.